It's Poppin' Goddess Style. So today we're back again with another video. In this video, I'm about to be showing you how I do my lace frontal install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching if you want to see this bomb look. What's up, y'all? First things first, you want to start off with some straight back, some gel braids. Make sure they're nice and small. Make sure they're not big and bulky. Make sure that you also have your edges brushed back or combed back, just so like the glue and the spray don't get into that. But yeah, next we're gonna start right now with the ball cap. Now, I didn't actually spend too much time on showing this, but you just get is it a nude or beige cap, and just start to spray it. Make sure that you have some tabs open for your air so that doesn't cause you to be irritated. Sometimes I like to bring it down in my eyes too, just to make sure that it's laid right. But yeah, we're gonna do the most today. We're gonna let that dry. We're gonna spray it about 2 times, let it dry, then we're gonna actually add makeup. So in this part right here is actually like very important, because you want to make sure that you cut just enough cap off and not too much, because just a little bit of my edges was actually showing. But now I'm not actually going to install a wig just as yet. I'm just going to measure just to make sure it fits right. Now, I actually don't add as much layers of glue like I used to, but I actually, just did 2 applications of the Bold Hold, and then you just want to make sure, of course, that it dries clear. I learned the hard way by not doing that, so make sure you do light layers and make sure that it dries clear. So yeah, this is just 2 applications. You're gonna make sure that you brush that back and smooth it down, and then when it's clear, it's a green light. Once you then install the lace, you want to make sure that you take a comb and start to actually press the lace in. You don't want to really use your fingers too much, because I just feel like with the comb it really gets it in there as far as like melting it into the glue. Now, in this step here, I feel like this is also a part that is very important as well. You want to make sure, like, after you pluck your hair, you go back in once it's installed and then, like, just make a part. This is what we're going to use for baby hairs as well as kind of like thinning out the front. I actually didn't do a good job with actually plucking this one here. So this is why I actually took just a little bit more out of the hair for the part. So yeah, just kind of eyeball it if you. I know I'm about to be looking crazy right here, but you want to at least, make sure that you use an elastic band. I was not able to find my elastic band, so that's why I used a scarf. So you want to make sure that you at least, have that on for minimum 5 minutes just to get it to really, melt, like they say. And then right now, what I'm doing is just going back in and redefining what I actually want, because I did actually take a lot of hair out. That knows me knows that I'm definitely extra and over the top, so that's why my baby hairs have to match me. So right now what I'm doing is actually not really hot combing the hair, but more so the roots, because it was just a little bit too bulky. If you are using curly hair, you want to make sure that you try to have a flat top as much as possible. It depends on the look that you're trying to go for, but when it's just too big, it kind of looks weird. So yeah, next I'm just adding some oils, and this hair is so beautiful. This wig, like, even though I always do curly wigs, I just love that look on me. But I always get excited when I get a new curly wig every single time. Installing, what I actually do now is actually just spray water. I don't actually use too much products other than water and mousse. So I'm just gonna do that, do my little braid up, and voila, here it is, scalp. So here there it is, guys. This is just my basic techniques on how I install my curly wigs, and that's just it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big fat thumbs up and comment what videos you guys are interested and want to see more of. Bye, guys.